Hi, I'm RJ, and welcome back to my mythos. Folk, it is hot as all heck in the UK right now. Well, actually, today it's not too bad. It's like 24 degrees, and it's been like low 30s. But that's really warm still. So I can't bother doing my face, so you're only getting my voice today. Be right. Okay, so it is currently the 17th of the month, and Glossybox has finally shown up. I had to actually email them about this because, oh yeah, sorry, my nails are vile. I'm just going to get that out there now. Sorry. I'll try not to flack them around too much. Yes, I had to actually message them about this because it hadn't shown up, and got a dispatch email, and I got an email back going, oh yeah, we're really sorry, we've had some stuff out of stock, you can wait or you can have a refund. And I was like, well, why didn't you email me if it was going to be late? I would have at least appreciated a, hi, there's been a delay, but no, you were just going to let me wait. So I requested the refund, and then this showed up. So actually, not getting the refund, I'm getting the box. And from what I've heard on Instagram, this is a pretty shady box. So we are doing even more of a low effort unboxing today than we normally do. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I hate this. So the whole theme is the art of beauty, but this looks like, well, do you remember that episode of The Simpsons where Homer invents a makeup gun and shoots Marge in the face with it, and she ends up looking like a clown? That's what this looks like. Okay, and also, I'm not. I think this whole single line drawing thing, it's beautiful, but it's so overused at the minute. But anyway, yeah, this is the first one of the special boxes that I haven't particularly liked the look of. Which is a shame, because this is very talented. Like, I'm not dissing the artist here. It's a very talented artist, I'm sure. It's just not my style. And oh look, hi Squeak! Okay. Right, Squeak's probably going to get in the way. Now, I haven't looked in this. I vaguely know what's in it because I have seen all the all the complaints on Glossybox's Instagram this month, which has basically been people saying, what on earth is this? This stuff is... No, she's not going to show you a face. Yeah, basically on Instagram, everyone's just been like, what the hell is this? Why are we paying for these crappy things? Everything's been broken, things have not been turning up, so it's going to be a fun one. So I thought I'd do a live unboxing, well, a live pre-recorded unboxing, so you can all have the pleasures that I do. So let's get this lid off. Ka-thunk. Okay, so if you've never actually seen inside a Glossybox, this is what it looks like. You get a cute little ribbon every month. I keep these because I am unable to throw away ribbon for some reason. You get a little sticker and a piece of tissue paper. Oh, that's loud. Sorry for anyone with misophonia. Fold that back. And you get all these, what Teresa is Dead calls monster pubes, which makes me laugh. Now, normally, there's a little card sat on the top here with a QR code. I haven't got that this month by the looks of it. Maybe it's underneath? Oh no, there it is. It's underneath. Cool. Okay, now, this has got Scan Me for the details, and it's got, you know, the month's title. I'm not going to bother scanning this because everyone on Instagram says this QR code doesn't work. So that is neither use nor ornament, so bye! Squeak. Okay. Right, so let's see what we've got. So, this Land of Lashes. So, these are obviously going to be fake lashes. Apparently, they can be used 15 plus times when cared for responsibly, correctly. Faux mink lashes, 100% cruelty-free, reusable. Adhesive not included. Adhesive not included? Come on, even like £3 fake eyelashes from Primark includes a little bit of glue. Jesus. Anyway. Okay, so these people, the reason I've not turned them around yet, people have been complaining online that these are crap. they're very curly and look really weird. So let's see how true that is. Ooh. Okay. That is a curl. That's wow. That's very curly. Yeah, so people have been mocking these ruthlessly because look how curled up that is. Now I don't actually mind that. That might look... I actually think that'll look quite cool. Not because it's good and because it's natural, but because it's very obviously fake. Although I do have hooded eyes, so that's going to obliterate any shadow work I do. Yeah, I'll try them on. I'm not impressed that they don't come with adhesive, because like, how much does it cost to do that? I will scan the card, or at least look these up and put a price somewhere on screen for you. Look, minimal editing, yay. But, okay, they are a meh. Not unimpressed, but not completely impressed. What's next? This is a Luxy brush. Ooh, it's falling out its packaging. It's been eaten by the pubes. Okay, this is a Luxy brush. I'm fine with receiving this because Luxy brushes are pretty good. Let's take it out of its packaging. Oh, I thought it said Luxy brush on the handle. Oh, it does. There we go. So this is a Luxy 640. It's not gonna focus because it's a really weird pro precision tapered brush. It's pink. It's got a very slight sparkle to it that I think you can see that on camera there. And then this rose gold, rose silver ferrule, and then the brushes. Now this is, oh, that is really soft. So if I compared that to, say, Squeak's tail, she's not gonna let me do that. This is really soft. It's really nice. It's not an angled brush though. What is it? Oh, it's a tapered brush. Okay, I thought it was an angled brush. This is what we got spoiled for us on the internet. That's very synthetic. Look at that shine. Definitely a synthetic brush, but yeah, that's quite nice. It's going to be good for doing like a very loose dusting of a product. So be good for your blush, be good for your highlighter. Just to give that little bit of a whoosh. So yeah, I'm actually pleased with that. So that is a win. Now, because we've got that, they've also given us this, which is this is making me laugh. Okay, so if you go onto the Glossybox Instagram right now, you will see a lot of people really annoyed because they received these and they were shattered. So this is a Pixie by Petra, I believe it's a blush and a highlighter. Let's see. Oh yeah, mine's all in one piece. Yeah, so there were people complaining that these had turned up and they were just basically powder because they were just so shattered and crap. I mean, if you look at the box, there's a couple of big, like, chunkier things in here. So if it didn't have this bubble wrap and was just been bashed around, I can see how it would break really easily. Clearly, my iteration was posted out long enough after receiving all those comments that they decided to add some extra packaging. So let's have a look at this. This claims to be a blush duo, but to me, like, this side's a blush and this side's a highlighter, because that's very pale. They're also both very shiny. Let's see. Okay, they're quite cute. Yeah, that to me is not a blush, that's a highlighter. You can't see a damn thing. Hang on. Let's do an experiment. So I am pale, so let's put some on my leg. Yeah, that's non-existent. You can just about see some glitter. It does claim to be a blush duo. Yeah, beauty blush duo in peach honey. that's a highlighter. That's just some sparkles. Okay, beautiful highlighter. Definitely not a blush. Don't know why it's been marketed as a blush. Let's see if I can put the lid on. Yeah. Okay. Yay. I have a lot of highlighters. I use highlighters quite a lot, so I'm not mad at it, but it's not what it was pitched as. It's not what they said it was, which is a bit meh. And Pixie by Petra are fine. They're a bit of a mid-range brand. Yeah, fine. Okay, another meh. Right, now let's get into the stuff that I'm less interested about. These are more skincare-based things. So, what have we got here? This is a Nano Bay Restore and Nourish hair mask. So people were complaining about this because we get a lot of hair masks in Glossybox. I'm less bothered by that. I like a good hair mask. Let's see what it says. Contains natural fragrance, leaves the hair soft, silky, and easy to manage. Contains blah 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 blah. Formulated for all hair types. Let's have a smell. Bloop, pop. Yeah. Yeah, doesn't smell of anything. It's a bit fragrance free. It's fine. It's a hair mask. It's basically conditioner. Yay, conditioner. Another bit meh. And then what's this tiny little tub? This is cute. Look at this, a tiny little tub. This is a Le Gommage Visage Organic Face Scrub by Huygens. I pronounced none of that correctly. I apologise to whatever language that is for butchering that. Yeah, this is an purifying glow exfoliator. Okay, so it's a exfoliating face mask in a cute little tub. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so it's got like the little scrubby, beady things in. Smells a bit. Ooh. Okay, it might be because it looks like it, but to me that smells like Rata, that mint sauce stuff that you get with with poppadoms in an Indian. Okay, cool. I mean, looks like there's maybe 2 or 3 applications in there if I'm preserving it right. Yeah. Okay, again, meh. It's a face scrub. I've got a lot of face scrubs, and I think skincare you have to use for like 30 days or something to see any kind of benefit. So, you know, a 3-use mask is not going to be hugely fascinating, is it? Okay, so that's the box for August. Well, that's actually a cuter little, like, hi beautiful, it's talking to me. Yeah, that's the box. So we got the face mask, we got the super weirdly curly lashes, we got the Luxie brush, we got the highlighter that identifies as a blusher, and we got whatever that is, or the glorified conditioner. So I did get my QR code to scan, which great, they've clearly reprinted that as well. So just a quick shuffle. Come on. Okay, so the blush duo is a mini worth £8. They couldn't even give us a full size one for people to receive broken. The Luxie brush is £18, which sounds about right for them. The false lashes were £7, which, yeah, I still would have expected some adhesive with them for that price, but, you know, whatevs. The face scrub is another Deluxe Mini, worth £7.50, which, meh, for a Deluxe Mini that's not too bad. And finally, bloody hell, this thing. And finally, the hair mask was a lucky dip. We could have got a Restore and Nourish or a Protective. I got the Restore and Nourish, and they are £9.50 each. but they do seem to be full size at least. So yeah, the thing that gets me most about this box is, you know, well, this was obviously the Art of Beauty box, and they have this whole thing about graphic eyeliner as a trend and different ways you can use graphic eyeliner, and then they have this thing about colour clash your makeup. Be bold, be colourful. It literally says on one of these, be bold. Yeah, use bold shades. You know, use your undertones. Build a desired colour. Have fun. And yet, all the stuff they've given us is really, really boring. I just want one Glossybox where it's all bright rainbow colours and something unusual and different. Anyway, back to the rest of the video. So yeah, all in all, not really worth the wait. I mean, I'll use it all, I suppose. So in that respect, it's better than some boxes we've had in the past. But yeah, I can see why people aren't exactly the most enthused about this one, especially if they've had to get in touch and ask where the hell it was. So yeah, that is Glossybox for August 2022. And this is RJ Mythos signing out, and I hope you return to my Mythos soon. See you next month. Bye!